Falling on your feet, do you finally see what you're missing?
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm very excited for today's video because today I'm collabing again with one of my great friends that I meet here on YouTube. So today I am collabing with my friend Wendy from the channel My Life Wendy, and we are bringing you a Mother's Day gift guide idea. So if you are interested to learn all those good stuff and what are our recommendations, then just keep on watching. And you know how much I love Wendy. I have previously talked about her on this channel. I think I know her from at least 3 years. So I'm on this channel, I'm on this platform from 2018, so I'll have 4 years in August, and I do know Wendy from 3 years. For Wendy and I, this became as a tradition to do our collab for Mother's Day. We did last year and 2 years ago. Actually 2 years ago I think we missed the Mother's Day collab, but we did it after, and last year we did a pampering routine for Mother's Day, so I'm going to have those videos also listed, linked in my description box. But for this year we decided to do a gift guide. And let me tell you some things about Wendy. She's a wonderful, beautiful mother, and she's not only mother, but she's also grandmother, and she has 4 lovely grandchildren. Few of them have the age of my children. So yeah, I feel somehow connected with Wendy on this. And also Wendy, it's all about beauty and clean makeup, and she will tell you a lot of tips and tricks about how to look beautiful, gorgeous, how to fade those signs of aging, or if you have them, then just to wear them graciously. So I highly encourage you to go visit her channel. I will have everything in my description box as always. And after you watch this video, I highly recommend you to check her channel and her video, because even I don't know what she's going to put together, so I'm very excited about that. But as I told you, for today's video we decided to do a gift guide idea for Mother's Day, and I'm going to show you some things that I think they are a very good idea for gift for mothers in our lives. So if you are blessed to have a mother in your life, if your mother is alive, my mother, unfortunately, she is no longer with us, but I still think of her every single day of my life. So if you are blessed enough to have your mother in your life, or if you have a grandmother or mother-in-law or a friend that is mother, so all those lovely women that are mother, they should benefit from our lovely gifts. So I have some things I want to share with you, and some of them are products that are coming from companies that are business owned by women that are also mothers. So I'm very excited about that, and I want to share with you. So the first thing that I want to recommend you, it's a product that I am so much into it. So I'm contacted by, and none of these products is sponsored, so this is not a sponsored video by any means. I don't have anything to speak about in today's video that is sponsored, but I am contacted by a lot of companies. One of those lovely companies that have contacted me and I had the joy to try their product is the evenskyn. And the product that has mostly impacted me and I am so much into it is the Venus eyelid device. And this is basically, let me show it to you. I have a video where I'm showing you also the results after trying this device for over a month, but I don't know if that video will be before or after this. This device, it's a fantastic product that has improved so much the appearance of my fine lines and my under eye bags. So I have a genetic issue. My under eye bags are very pronounced, and this device has made wonders for my under eye area. It has two lights mode. So it has the red light that it helps to promote the collagen, and it will improve the blood circulation. And after that it has the blue light that is soothing and calming, and it's sealing the deal that we have already did with the red light. And this is even not so pricey. It's around $150 mark, and evenskyn ships internationally, and I do believe it will make a fantastic gift for your mother. She will be happy to treat at home and to help her aging graceful. Another gift idea that you can offer to your mother are the strip nails by Color Street. My friend Jackie Naturals, she's a stylist for Color Street. And basically, what is Color Street? This is a company that offers dozens of different nail stickers made from 100% nail polish, and they are very easy to apply, and they do last up to 2 weeks. They are meant to fill your exact nail shape, and they mimic the appearance of a salon quality manicure without the actual taking the time to paint your nails. As you can tell, I did not have time to paint my nails today, so I'm going to have all the information about Color Street in my description box. And if you want to support the small business of my friend Jackie Naturals, I'm going to have her link down below in my description box, but it is www.colorstreet-jackie naturals. So go ahead and support my friend. Another lovely gift idea for Mother's Day are, of course, jewelry. I do love jewelry, and I will never get enough of having jewelry. I have a chest drawer full of jewelry, and I have jewelry everywhere. I have like few boxes full with jewelry. Maybe one day I'm going to show you my jewelry collection. But what I wanted to tell you is that Wendy, she's also creating jewelry, and I'm going to link her webpage, her Facebook page. It is called Wendy's Creations, and she can custom made for you jewelry. I have recently seen a video that her friend Clara did, and she basically did a mystery jewelry box for Clara. So you can contact Wendy and you can give her some idea about what kind of jewelry you want to have, and she will custom made for you. Now, of course, she will not be able to do those jewelry for the upcoming Mother Day. It's not possible because this is in about a week. But if you're going to ask her in advance and give her some idea about what type of style and what exactly you want, for sure she is going to create you some unique personalized jewelry for you or for someone loved in your life. And now I do not have battery. Alright, my battery just died on me, so I had to take a moment to recharge it because unfortunately I still haven't bought a spare battery for my camera. So where were we? I think we just finished the jewelry topic, so if I failed to mention, please go visit Wendy's Creation Facebook page. I'm going to have it listed in my description box and you can see all the lovely jewelry. Another great gift idea for Mother's Day is, of course, body care and skincare. And I was thinking for body care, something that is widely available, and it's one of my most favorite body care brand. It's actually The Body Shop. And this weekend we had a deal. There was an offer on our Body Shop website, so they had like buy 2 and get 2 free, and I somehow managed not to buy something because when I was checking I still had a lot of body care to go through. But when I'm thinking about body care, I'm thinking about Body Shop, so I have some products to recommend to you. I love this scrub. This is the second one that I have, is the Kindness and Peer. And also, because now the summer is approaching, I highly recommend you the body yogurt. So this is in jasmine and joy, and they are more like a whipped texture. They are very lightweight and they have a lot of scent to try from. Oh, oops, sorry. So something was leaking because I tilted the jar. Oh my god, this is so moisturizing. This, it will be the next one that I'm using after I will finish what I currently have open. It is just a joy. The mother in your life will be happy to have something so moisturizing in her life and something that smells so nice. So I love Body Shop for all those wonderful products and the various fragrances they have. So everything smells divine. Of course, they also have skincare, but I haven't tested so much the skincare from Body Shop. But one skincare that I'm loving and recommending, and I think anyone can use it, it's not age targeted or skin type. It's for all skin types, including sensitive skin types, is the Laneige sleeping mask. This is so rich, luxurious sleeping mask, and it's coming in this lovely jar with a spatula, and it can be used every night after you apply your regular skincare. Apply this on top of your face and your face will thank you. Every morning I wake up and I'm thanking to my Laneige sleeping mask, and I have this from Stylevana, so I will have also my information down below. I think they have better deals than other places where you can purchase Laneige, so if you didn't know that, I'm here to tell you about that. Of course, what it will be a Mother's Day without makeup. So I was thinking what I can pick as a recommendation for a gift idea for Mother's Day. And when I was thinking on that, one particular palette came into my mind. And yeah, I think this Natasha Denona Glam Face palette, it will make a wonderful gift idea. I don't want to show it to you because it will blind you. It has a gorgeous, luxurious packaging, and it's coming with almost a full face of makeup, so you have neutral shades to do your eye makeup, and it has a blush and a highlight. I am wearing the highlight on my lid and on my highest points of my cheeks. I think it's the most beautiful and more fluttering highlight, and all the shades are good. I think a neutral palette, it's a good gift for Mother's Day, and I highly recommend this. It will make a great gift for Mother's Day. And speaking about eye makeup, I have another palette that I recommend. I think it's so good and it's so mature, eyelid friendly, and this is the Viseart, the Violet Intendu eyeshadow palette, but it has some pops of purple violet, so you can keep your look more neutral, or you can give it a oomph of purple. So I think this, it will make another beautiful gift for Mother's Day. Another great gift idea for Mother's Day, if we are speaking about eyeshadow palettes, of course, we need some tools to apply those. And what can be a better gift idea than a brush set? Now I have this brush set by BK Beauty. This is the travel brush set. So sorry, it's coming like this, and I love it so much. It's so well loved and used, and of course you all know that BK Beauty is owned by Lisa J, which is a YouTuber. She's also a mother, so yeah, I want to also give her a shout out. This is the travel set, and you have 5 brushes. 2 of them are for your face. The foundation brush, the small, the travel size of the 101, and the all over face brush, and 3 eye brushes. And this pouch, it's very functional. You can put an eyeshadow palette. I'm usually keeping here my BK Beauty, the True Beauty eyeshadow palette, but you can put something else. You can put your lipsticks or whatever you want to take with you on the go. Or if you want, so I highly recommend the ANGIE Hot and Flashy brush set, or any other set or individual brushes from BK Beauty. Actually, I believe they are going to have sales for the Mother's Day. And actually, my first brushes that I purchased from BK Beauty, I purchased them last year when they had sales exactly for the Mother's Day. I think they had like 30% sales. I'm pre-recording this video. As of now, I have no information about sales, but for sure I'm going to update in case that there are. I'll put everything in my description box. I also have a discount code for them, but for sure if they are going to have a better deal for Mother's Day, go for that. Another great gift idea for Mother's Day are, of course, fragrances. Who doesn't want a great fragrance? Now, of course, fragrances are something personal. I cannot recommend you buy this or buy that. Just, you know what your mother loves, what are her preferences. But I know there is a lovely website. Unfortunately, they only ship for the USA, but I think you all heard about Dossier. And they are a very affordable brand. They copy luxury brands, and they take like between 70 and 90% of the retail value, and they have the perfect fragrance for any kind of taste. So you know your mother preferences, you can go check and buy designer inspired perfumes for a very good price. I would love to order from them, but they do not ship outside of US as of now, at least. But if you want to check, I will have their website, and also both Wendy and Jackie, they have discount code, so I will have their discount, their referral link in my description box. Go check and make a good present to someone love from your life, and why not to you, if you want to treat yourself, because you deserve the best for you. I believe there are many other gift ideas for Mother's Day. Those were some of my recommendations, but if you want to learn more gift ideas recommendation for Mother's Day, go visit Wendy's channel. I'm going to have her video listed and linked down below in my description box. Please go and watch her, because that is where I'm heading right now. I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch. I hope you'll have a wonderful Mother's Day, whether you are mother, a daughter, or both of them. I am a mother, I have 2 children, so I'm looking forward to celebrate this lovely day with my children. Alright, those being said, I want to wish you all to have a wonderful Mother's Day. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. Don't forget to visit Wendy's channel and send her some love from me. Don't forget, the most beautiful makeup is your own smile, and I'm going to see you very soon. Bye bye!